wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, hi, kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. Do you like to dance? Or even sing? Or enjoy making music? Well, then you are surely going to enjoy today's episode. Noah had something really special planned, and well, I've just been bubbling with excitement because I love making music. I love dancing, I love going crazy, and I love singing la 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 la. Okay, maybe I'm not the best of singers, but I was told by a musician that it's all a matter of practice, practice, practice. You see, kids, we all have a voice, and to learn to sing and use that voice, there are certain techniques we have to learn. For example, one of the first things we need to do is learn reading notes. So, why don't we jump right into it?
Music is made up of a variety of symbols. The most basic are the staff, the clefs, and the notes. All music contains these components, and to learn how to read music, you must first familiarize yourself with these basics. First off, the staff. The staff consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces. Each of those lines and each of those spaces represents a different letter, which in turn represents a note. These lines and spaces represent notes named A through G. And the note sequence moves alphabetically up the staff. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now to the clef. There are 2 main clefs with which to familiarize yourself. The first is a treble clef. The treble clef has the ornamental letter G on the far left side. The treble clef notates the higher registers of music. So if your instrument has a higher pitch, like a flute or a violin or a saxophone, your sheet music is going to be written in the treble clef. To help us learn these, we remember the notes for the lines and spaces of the treble clef. So, for example, for E, G, B, D, F, the word cue is every good boy does fine. For the spaces F, A, C, E, it's just like the word face. Okay, now the second clef, the bass clef. The bass clef rotates the lower registers of the music, so the opposite of the high pitch is a lower pitch, such as the bassoon, tuba, or cello. Ways for us to remember them: G, B, D, F, A is good boys do fine always. And for A, C, E, G, it's all cows eat grass. Now the notes. Notes on the staff tell us which note to play on our instrument and how long to play it. There are 3 parts of each note: the note head, the stem, and the flag. Whew, that's pretty complicated, so you should probably listen to that again.
Whoa, kids, that's a lot of information. I guess before we start practicing, because practice makes perfect, let's check in with Noah and Olivia.
Hi, kids. Noah's a little bit busy. I think he's doing homework or...
No, I'm not doing homework.
Oh, what are...
Hi, kids!
Hi!
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
N stands for Noah.
O stands for Olivia.
N-O stands for no.
O-N stands for on.
You say no.
I say on.
I am Noah.
I am Olivia.
That's the beginning of our new song. That's a good one.
Oh. Are we writing a song?
I am writing a song.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
We just wrote the beginning of it. I already wrote the music to it. And now that's actually N stands for Noah. O stands for Olivia. N-O stands for no, O-N stands for on. You say no, I say on. I am Noah.
I am Olivia.
We dream to dream.
Ooh, I like that.
We live to dream.
Ooh, very nice.
We believe in dreams, and so should you.
Oh, yeah. Do you believe in dreams?
We believe in you, so you should too.
Oh, yeah.
We believe in dreams, make them come true. For me and you.
Aw.
Okay, and then
Wow.
just need to pause in the second verse right
This is
there.
really cool. Have you kids ever written a song before? No? Maybe some of you? I haven't either, but Noah really likes writing songs.
I do.
Yeah.
I really love writing songs because it allows me to express myself.
Yeah, it's so neat. Sometimes I make up a song like kind of randomly, but I've never actually sat down and written one. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Should we? I made an earlier recording of it. We just have to sing along. Do you want to? Do you want to try it out?
Yeah, I would love to try it out. How about
Okay.
you kids? You guys want to try?
Yeah, I think they
Yeah?
want to hear it. So why don't
Okay.
I put this to the side?
Okay.
And I'll put the lyrics here. I'll put this to the side. Sorry.
Okay. No,
and
it's
I'll
perfect.
put the lyrics right there so we can read it.
Oh, okay.
So can you read my handwriting?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
All right, are we ready?
I'm ready. Can you hit hit our jukebox over there so we can actually listen to the melody?
Do you?
I'm ready.
N stands for Noah. O stands for Olivia. N-O stands for no. O-N stands for on. You say no, I say on. I am Noah. I am Olivia. This is very nice. We dream to
No,
dream.
you interrupted me.
I'm sorry.
Olivia.
No, that was my mistake. I'm sorry. I didn't know when we start yet. Okay. Should let's try it again from the beginning, right?
Yeah, let's try it from the beginning.
Okay. This time I won't talk.
Yeah, don't talk.
Yeah, but I like your words.
I'm happy
It's
that
very
you
good.
liked it, but you can say at the end if you like it or not, but not in the middle of the song.
My mistake.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let's start.
Apology accepted.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
N stands for Noah. O stands for Olivia. N-O stands for no. O-N stands for on. You say no, I say on. I am Noah. I am Olivia. We dream to dream. We live to dream. We believe in dreams, and so should you. We believe in you, so you should too. We believe in dreams, make them come true. For me and you. N stands for Noah. O stands for Olivia. N-O stands for no. O-N stands for on. You say no, I say on. I am Noah. I am Olivia. We dream to dream. We live to dream. We believe in dreams, and so should you. We believe in you, so you should too. We believe in dreams, make them come true. For me and you.
Wow, did you
Wow.
like that?
Yeah, I did like that. That was very good.
Yeah, I think
Wow.
that pause I think is going to be a little bit difficult, but I
Yeah.
think the more we practice, I think the better we can get.
Yeah, I definitely think the more we practice, the better we'll get. And also, there's kind of that little bell sound. Ting. So if I just listen for that, I think that'll help.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I like that song. N stands for Noah. O stands for Olivia. Do you know the other song that Noah and Olivia wrote? And they sang it together too. We are family. No, I don't think that's the song. Oh well. Okay, well, let's check into that one and see if we can learn it.
Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint. So come along, yes, come along to dream again. Be in our world. Let's dream again. So be who you are. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. We all sing and play. We all learn and teach. We all read and paint. So come along and dream. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us. Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we have each other. Stomp your feet along and dance with us. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah! That was so
That
nice.
is amazing! Woo!
Well, kids, I guess what we learned today is how to read notes and even make some sounds, and that lyrics are the text of a song. That allows us to sing to the music. But before we call ourselves musicians and singers, there's more in the world of music that we have to learn. So maybe next time Noah and Olivia will show us more. And for those musicians and singers at home, keep practicing and always remember to have fun and go crazy with music. Okay, kids, that's it for today. Bye!
If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.